By Anonymous News Network. December 17, 2024. In a stunning turn of events that has left the world in awe, the recent surge of UFO sightings across the globe has culminated in an extraordinary outcome: the complete disarmament of nuclear and chemical weapons worldwide. This unprecedented development comes as extraterrestrial beings, confirming decades of speculation about their existence, have made peaceful contact with Earth's leaders. The New Jersey incident, where it all began. The chain of events leading to this monumental shift began with the mysterious drone sightings in New Jersey earlier this month. What was initially dismissed as unidentified drones has now been confirmed as the first wave of extraterrestrial craft entering Earth's atmosphere. What we thought were drones the size of SUVs were actually scout ships, explained Dr. Elena Rodriguez, lead scientist at the newly formed Global Extraterrestrial Communication Center. They were conducting preliminary surveys of our military capabilities and environmental status. Global sightings escalate. Following the New Jersey incidents, reports of UFO sightings skyrocketed worldwide. From the bustling cities of China to the remote areas of Siberia, people from all walks of life witnessed phenomena that defied conventional explanation. "I saw a massive disc-shaped object hovering over the Kremlin," said Moscow resident Ivan Petrov. "It emitted a soft, pulsating light. It was unlike anything I've ever seen." The Great Revelation. On December 15, 2024, in a coordinated global broadcast, the extraterrestrial beings made their presence and intentions known. Speaking through a universal translator, their leader, who identified as Ambassador Zor-El, addressed the people of Earth. "We come in peace. As guardians of universal harmony, your world stands on the brink of self-destruction. We offer you a choice. Lay down your weapons of mass destruction and join the galactic community, or continue on your current path and face extinction." Unprecedented global cooperation. In the wake of this revelation, world leaders convened an emergency United Nations session. In a historic decision, all nations unanimously agreed to the extraterrestrial proposal. "Today, we choose peace not just for our planet, but for our place in the universe," declared UN Secretary-General Amina Mohammed in an emotional address. The disarmament process. Over the past 48 hours, extraterrestrial technology has been employed to safely neutralize and dispose of all nuclear and chemical weapons globally. The process, described by witnesses as a spectacle of light and energy, has left no trace of these deadly arsenals. A new era for humanity. As the world grapples with this new reality, a sense of hope and unity has emerged. Former adversaries are now collaborating on global initiatives for sustainable energy and environmental restoration, guided by extraterrestrial expertise. "This is not an end but a beginning," said Dr. Rodriguez. "We stand at the threshold of a new era for humanity, one of peace, technological advancement, and cosmic citizenship." As the world looks to the stars with new eyes, the question on everyone's mind is no longer, are we alone, but rather, what's next for humanity in this vast, wondrous universe? Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story that has forever changed the course of human history.